In a time long ago, Vikings were feared warriors known for their fierce battles and ruthless decisions, and among the most daunting tasks was determining who would live or die after a skirmish. Each decision was made in front of the whole clan, as the elders would deliberate fiercely, weighing honor, bravery, and the potential for mercy against the harsh realities of survival. With every life taken or spared, the Vikings felt the heavy burden of their choices, knowing that each act could either strengthen their tribe's honor or lead them down a path of vengeance. In the end, the choices made by the Vikings shaped not only their fate, but also the very fabric of their society, where every decision echoed through generations, marking the line between glory and despair. As the Vikings ventured forth to conquer new lands, the memories of those who lived or died remained etched in their hearts, guiding their courage as they sought honor and legacy on the open sea. Through tales of valor passed down through generations, the Vikings honored those lost in battle, ensuring that their spirits would forever guide the choices of future warriors. In the innocence of youth, the lessons learned from their ancestors blossomed, teaching them not just the paths of war, but also the profound strength found in showing compassion. As the northern lights danced above the Vikings, reflected on the dual nature of their existence, where mercy and revenge walked hand in hand, shaping their destinies beneath the vast expanse of the universe. In moments of solitude and unity, the Vikings grappled with their past decisions, knowing that each choice resonated through time, shaping the legacy they would leave for generations to come. In the spirit of community, Vikings gathered to honor their victories and mourn their losses, understanding that amidst the chaos of life, the moments of joy and connection would define their journey. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Vikings reflected on their adventures and choices, finding peace in the knowledge that every day was an opportunity to forge their path anew. Amidst the remembrance of their fallen brothers and sisters, the Vikings found strength in their grief, committing themselves to live bravely and honorably for those who could no longer fight beside them.